89A going into Jerome. It looks like it's kind of twisty roads. Elevation 5,246 feet, founded in 1876. Jerome.
You'll come around here. I was found here. You'll come around here. Leading me higher. Leading me higher. Leading me higher. Leading me higher.
made it up to Jerome. Well, I'm shutting this thing off again and catch you on the next go.